The following presentation is adapted from a seminar I gave at the Data Science Club at Sacramento State University. I talk about the roles in data science in order to encourage young students to begin learning concepts of data science so that they can explore future careers. And I like to dispel the misconception that data science is only for people who are really good at math and coding, but in reality, that's a skewed view of data science due to the nature of how universities promote only two of the three important roles within data science.
Cool. So lastly, there are three roles, okay, in that I've run into in data, what we call data science. Okay, you have the data engineer, you have the data scientist, and the data analyst, okay? And I want to highlight this because a lot of people listening here, right, you're interested in data science, but not everybody will be a data scientist or engineer, right? But when you think about data science where you are now at the university, your idea of data science is the data scientist and the data engineer. Because in academic science, right, your professors, they're not trying to sell anything. They're trying to publish papers and get grants, right? So they don't need to hire somebody called the data analyst, okay? So data engineer is a person who does computer security, database management. How do you transfer data, a lot of it? How do you transform it along the way securely? Okay, that's data engineering. Data scientist is the person who's in between the analyst and the engineer. That is, the data scientist builds the model. Say, for example, if you're a wine company, okay, and you hire a data scientist and you study data, you say, hey, you know, if we adjust for gender, age, and, you know, number of years of education, we found that people who drink, you know, 2 glasses of wine per day live 5 years longer. Wow, that's data science right there. Patterns, right? You know what I'm saying? And then, so that data scientist might be tempted to tell the executive team, hey, therefore, we should start a commercial campaign telling people to drink 10 cups a day. You know what I'm saying? And it sounds like a great idea, right? But then the data analyst raises the hand and says, wait. That same model says that if you drink 20 glasses of wine a day, you live to be 170. And we know that that just doesn't happen because it's just a model, right? And the analyst says, and first of all, it's going to take us 6 months to do a commercial, okay? And by 6 months from now, say we start tomorrow, right? Midterm elections are up, right? And in these particular states in America, we know that this senator is going to step down, and we know that the people who want to step into that role like to tax alcohol. So what if we, instead of spending 20 million on this campaign, we spend 5 million, and we only air this commercial in these parts of America, right? And the executive team says, that's why we hire data analysts. We just saved $15 million, you see that? But the irony is that the data analyst, right, though he has to understand data science, understand coding, he or she does the least amount of coding, right, among the other two, among these three. You see that? So I say that so you understand your niche, right? Because some of you might be hardcore CS people who are destined to be database engineers, right? Some of you might be destined to be analysts. Some of you might be destined to be somewhere in between. But the reality is you do have some influence over your destiny, right? And, you know, and you just have to find your niche and chase your dreams, you know what I'm saying? And put in the hard work, right? So there you go. So that's, you know, my career spiel wrap up, okay?